Hi, it's Brittany from Emporium. Welcome back to my channel. I have
Thea.
And today we're going to unbox the winter
Pusheen
2024 Pusheen subscription box and cat kit. So we're going to do the cat kit first.
Yeah, so actually I'm going to let Mommy this time. I have not done this in a long time. Pick the first one out.
Okay, but we are going to do... Okay, so first... The cat kit box.
Very cute with the cute little hoodie, all the snowflakes. With the other two.
But there's always like a little cutout that comes out, and it can turn into like a box toy also.
For the cats, that they can just go on in and just chill.
So when you open it, here's what we've got.
Oh, let's take that out.
So this card tells you what all is in it on the back, but we're not gonna look yet. All right, I'm picking first.
Yes. We should probably do this.
Can you not knock all my
stuff off the table?
We should probably do
this.
The small one first?
Yes, smallest to big.
So we have a hanging cat teaser. Oh, it's got a suction cup.
Hey, we've been getting some, but all the ones that we've been getting never has the suction cups.
We can put it like right here on the
yeah, that would be perfect.
Okay, so how does... Oh, interesting. No, it's like really long. So
where's the suction cup? Where's the suction cup?
The string pulls through here. So you could put that like that. Interesting. It looks really cute. So you've got
it to be like a little short.
Pusheen, and they're crinkly.
Yep, we always love that.
All right, what's next?
Crinkle.
All right, no ASMR today. What you got?
I want to see this.
It is a spinning toy.
What's the spinning
Spring toy. I couldn't read it. It was in the way.
Spring toy? Donut loves springs.
Donut does love spring.
So this is actually perfect. So
okay, so we have to cut.
You guys should probably start getting some of these. They are really fun to open.
Okay, we had to cut a little zip tie.
Mommy.
It has a little toy in it.
Let me hold this. I want to try to get the toy out.
No, don't take the toy out.
Why? We can put it back in.
Don't.
We can put it back in.
So it's like a spring ball. It's cute. Donut is going to love that. My turn.
We should probably do this one.
Okay, we have a plush toy, crinkly. The cats really like these. What? Your turn. You should probably take this one.
I know. Okay.
All right. Stop.
I want to show them. I never get to show them.
What it says. A 2-pack crinkle toys.
A 2-pack crinkle toys.
Okay, so we gotta open it.
I want to open it.
You don't need the scissors. Stop. You need to listen.
I will take them out. I just take it out.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. Oh,
it's a little teacup.
So there's like this.
It's a tea bag.
For ASMR, it's a tea bag, and there's also like this.
It's a tea bag. This is supposed to be the little.
And there's also a cute little teacup.
The tea bag is bigger than the teacup. It's cute. Okay, I'm taking this one.
Ooh, we've got. No, Mommy, you were supposed to do this one.
No.
Why did you do the wrong one?
Club.
Mommy, we're supposed to do this one.
So it's got like a Sherpa back. The cats really like these little blankets. We got one maybe last year, maybe 2 years ago. I'm not sure.
Oh, that's sweet. Okay, my turn.
You gotta do that one. Small to big. Small to big.
Well, you did not choose this one. We were supposed to choose this one.
That one next.
Well, we were supposed to choose this one, then that one, and then this one.
That one next. Take it.
Okay, so this is more like...
Okay, not that much. Flat plush crinkle toy. We got lots of crinkle toys.
Why?
They're going to be excited. All right, what is this?
Mommy, I wanted to open it.
It is a foldable cat hut.
I want to open it. I want to open this.
Can you please?
Can I open this one? I really want to open. Mommy, can I please open it?
We'll see.
Oh.
Oh my God.
I open it. Let me open it. Okay, time to open. How big is this?
Hang on. I think
No.
it goes like this.
No way. No,
And
Mommy, we're supposed to...
I think you're supposed to pop all these out.
Yeah, we're supposed to pop. No.
Here.
No way. For real?
This is crazy. I love how they thought of being able to put this into...
Literally, Luna, George, and Donut can fit in that.
together.
Like it's big, yeah. They're
Okay,
big.
so then it's got these snaps.
And that's gigantic. Oh my god. So the cats are going to think, is that a monster? But then I'm going to tell them, we're kitties. It's that's a home.
That's crazy.
Those bracelets.
That's really cool. Leave them be, Thea.
What about stocking?
Yeah, that's not what we're doing right now, is it?
No, it's not.
Oh my gosh. So, you could literally set it like this way or on its side. That's really fun.
Hey, don't come out.
Okay, so we got the collapsible cat hut. That is fun. Okay, so the spring toy, the crinkle toy.
The thing that I'm playing with right now, it's actually a good human toy
We could
for kids.
put this
Ooh, mine.
in the little cat bed.
You can put this in here.
Yeah, okay. They can't see you. The big crinkle toy. This. Yeah, no, that is a lot in there.
Including this. What?
Yeah, get out of it.
I'm trying to put this in here.
Do you have a mic on? They can hear you.
Oh yeah, I
The
forgot.
next one.
There we go, got it.
All right, I need to get
Okay, Thea's back.
get this stuff to the trash real quick. Okay. Put it in here for now. Put it in here for now.
But I
The
don't
cutout
like
on
it.
this one is a stocking. Stop.
I don't want to poke it in.
No, I know.
Why?
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright,
it's
so
fine.
this
Can we
box,
poke this one in?
super
Oh, there's
cute.
no
You've always got
pokies.
the toe beans
Why is there no pokies in
and the tail. It's got a little bow.
This is the human box.
This is the human box.
I'm excited for this one because this one's actually for human. Oh, where's the car? We have to not look
Right
at
here.
that. Okay, do not.
Alright, so the theme is get cozy for both.
I'm gonna let's do it first because I wanted you.
The plushie. That's so cute.
All the time in the human boxes or the cat boxes, there's usually
For a while there wasn't plushies. We got
mine.
one in the Halloween box.
Yum, 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 yum. There's
We got one
something
in
glass in here.
The
Plastic, I don't know.
summer box.
Petro, 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 petro.
Okay, you're done. It's really cute. The little beans.
Oh, mommy. You have to
Okay.
look at that one.
We got
It's
a
so cute.
2-pack pot holder set. They're so cute.
Oh, we barely have any. We only have like the Halloween ones.
We have Halloween and Christmas.
No Christmas. I never seen the Christmas
Alright, well
ones.
those will go down.
But now we have very cute.
What are you doing next?
You want to do this one or this? Which one?
I don't care. But I'll tell you why I opened my mouth in a second.
This
You can do that one.
or this?
Either one, Thea. Just pick one.
Oh!
So this is a cake stand. Thea, stop.
Fine. No, that's so cute. Mommy, look at that.
Yeah, hang on.
Oh, I forgot what that is.
Oh, it looks like you can take this apart too. Yeah, okay, you can take it apart. So if,
Wait, that could be a cup.
if storage
So that's a plate, that's
is
a
an
cup.
issue.
Oh,
No,
that's
not.
cool.
It's a cake stand. You can put a cake on it.
Oh. Okay, Mommy. I think you should put
Okay, so what I was going to say is this is a silicone baking mat.
a silicone baking.
So what did we just use when we made cookies at Grandma's?
A silicone baking mat.
It says, let's stay in.
Oh, that's
So
the
cute.
one.
Well, now we have one at our house.
You know what? Is this
I like doing these.
Is this... Oh, you want to do this one? Mm-hmm. Don't do the kitten eyes. Mom. No. Why? Fine. I'm going to see it first.
Can I see it? All right, so the vinyl figure is a ribbon bow. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
I know. That's why I standed there like that. I'm sorry if it's very loud whenever you see this video. It's because it's too cute. I never thought
I
they were going to get
couldn't
this.
really see it until I looked into the box. Oh my gosh, it's like velvety too.
Yeah, it's fluffy. Oh, let me feel the fluffy. Oh, wait, hold on. I want to tell this.
Hang on, it's so cute.
Can I hold it?
Pusheen is like extra round.
Give me it.
With a little bow.
Give me it. So actually, Pusheen's kind of in its like dumpling form right now. It's a dumpling. Sometimes
Instead of a loaf.
Yeah. Usually, Pusheen is more a loaf. But now, she's in her dumpling form, finally. We have not gotten a dumpling one in a long time.
Okay. Do you want to do that?
What is this?
It's a cake serving spatula.
No! This goes with the cake and the cookies.
It's cute.
Oh my.
So, got a little Pusheen on it. Alright, last thing.
Let me just feel how fluffy this is.
Right, I'm going to throw this silicone pack away. Alright, can I see it? Cute. Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah, very heavy.
It is a sweater.
They made sure it's my mommy's size.
Actually, I need to change my size. It's kind of big.
Yeah.
It's cute. I love wearing sweaters, but super cute. I like that it's like year round too. It's not like, this is what was in the box last year, which I love. Wore it today for her holiday party. So we got the sweater.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, by the way.
I painted her face during her party. The vinyl figure.
At school.
Silicone baking mat. The cake serving spatula.
The actual cake holder.
Stand, the pot holders.
This is not
In the little plush.
This is not the cuddly kind. It's actually like the baking box kind of. It's kind of like the baking box.
Well, it says get cozy, so get cozy and stay in and bake. For winter.
Oh yeah, I get it now.
You get it now?
So this is not the baking box. It is actually the cuddle box.
So
I call
they're
it
really
box.
good boxes. The Pusheen subscription box is a quarterly subscription. So they do winter, spring, summer, and fall. Fall is like always a Halloween box. And then, can you stop?
I'm trying to poke it in.
Winter is usually wintry, but like one year it was like a
Oh, I forgot there's
themed.
not.
I think that was a winter box.
Can I poke in?
It isn't always just like wintry. And then spring and summer are kind of like mysteries too. But I love it. It is my main subscription that I get. I think combined both of them is about $80. But when you think about the fact that it's a quarterly box and I am getting 2, so I get 8 boxes a year. I love them. Anything you want to say?
Have a nice Christmas.
Happy
And
holidays.
Christmas year.
Happy holidays.
Oh yeah, happy holidays.
You want to tell them to subscribe?
Please subscribe and like
Leave us a
before you
comment.
leave. Leave a comment down below if you like cats. Because we are the cat family. We have cats everywhere.
All right. Bye.
We have little cats everywhere.
Tell them goodbye.
Goodbye, kitties.